My parents think that I'm in graduate school to be a librarian. What they don't know is the information sciences and the study of information is so much more than books and cardigans. In the 1950s, documentation as a field was replaced with our modern terms. Information is not only a thing, but can also be a process, a knowledge, something to touch or not. It can be fossils or trivia facts and a little bit of everything. Some of what it is depends on how we use it. Humans use information and transform it, turning it into memory, writing, articles, films, and more, in an ever-turning cycle in which meaning is assigned and embedded in each stage. Information science and library science are like the difference between a personal home library versus an academic library. The tools and concepts used to work with resources are similar and may overlap, but they are also vastly different, especially when virtual resources get involved. Either way, Mom and Dad, it's not all about books. Information science professionals may be involved in collection, selecting, disseminating, retrieval, and transformation. The baseline is similar, but documents we work with aren't only word-based. They can be art, audio, or bits and bytes. The professionals of the field are also similar in that we face many of the same problems. Juggling the massive amounts of increasing information is just one of these. So ask yourself, how do you become informed? Well, that's information science too.